Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Gmail account cleanup on your laptop. So the very first thing you want to do right here is to check on your promotion tab right here. Go ahead and click on your promotion tab. So you have a lot of promotion mail that is not really relevant. So you can clean them. You can clean up all your promotion mail by simply. So for you to clean up your promotion mail right here, what you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on this icon, then click on select all. So once you select all, everything is going to be selected, just like what you see right here. Then go ahead and click on this trash bin icon, and then everything will be deleted. So we still have more promotion after a bunch of delete. So we can go ahead and click on here again, select all, then click on trash bin icon. This allows you to delete everything. So we still have more, just like what you see right here. Click on here and select all. Click on this trash bin icon. Then go back here, click on all, trash bin icon. Click on here, click on all, trash bin icon. On here, select all, trash bin icon. So we have empty the promotion tab, just like so. Then you can navigate to social right here. So if you have any mail in your social, you can have to you tend to you're going to have them right here. So you can also go to updates right here. So under the update sections here, if you find out that some of the information about updates here are not useful to you, you can review as many as possible right here. The next thing you want to do, these are different updates you get from apps and websites whereby you have used your email to create an account with. Okay, so if you want to stop getting updates from them, you can go ahead and click on all right here. First thing first, make sure you can delete all the update messages right here. But if you want to stop getting updates from any one of them, just open the content of the mail. When you open the content of the mail, then you look for unsubscribe right here. So once you click on unsubscribe, it's going to redirect you. Then you have unsubscribed successful, which simply means that from this particular website, I will never receive an update from them. So let's go back to mail and click on here to go back. So click on here again and select all, then delete. Now the social and update and promotion tab has been fully empty. Now let's go back to primary sections right here. So under the primary section here, these are where the main email are coming in, both from different websites, as anywhere you register, as the case may be. Now here, you can delete some selected part of them and then leave the rest of the email and leave some of the email that are much more important to you. Like for instance, this particular mail right here, I'm going to go ahead because sometimes promotional mail do come into primary mail right here. So just select any one of them that you want to remove right here. Go ahead and click on delete trash bin icon right here. Then everything will be removed. You can review as many as possible, or better still, you can come to the top right here and search by name. Let's say I'm looking for quiz server. Okay, quiz server, web hosting. So everything is going to be found right here under this particular company right here. So I can decide to click on here now, select all, and then delete every mail from that part. So let's go back to inbox right here. Let's say I'm trying to search for another one. So come to the mail search, you can search for Ryan. Okay, so I'm going to hit enter. Then we have every mail from this particular URL. I'm going to click on select all and then hit on trash bin icon. Nothing from that particular mail. Let's go back to inbox. You can go on our own and use this method to remove as many as possible different website that you are no longer interested in them. If you want to subscribe to their mailbox, go ahead and open up your mail, then scroll down until you get to unsubscribe right here. Go ahead and click on unsubscribe. It's going to open right here, then telling you that you have successfully unsubscribed to their mail marketing. So you can go on and use this method to delete as many as possible unnecessary mail from your mailbox, from your social, from updates and the promotion tab, as the case may be. The next thing you want to do right here is to come to more right here. So under the more, you have spam mail. So go ahead and open up spam mail. So spam mail are the random mail you receive from different kind of people or websites or apps. So go ahead and select all right here, and then go ahead and make sure you click on delete forever because they are spam. So once you delete them forever, you are good to go. In some cases, there are some spam message that is not necessary to be deleted forever because most of the time when you create an account with a website or apps, they send a verification code to your spam mail. So if you find out that you still have interest in those code or you still have information about those code, you can leave them in the mailbox. Lastly, come to bin right here. So you have all mails you have been deleted so far in the past. Most of the mail will stay here for about 30 days before they can be deleted. And as a result of that, some of the mail here are consume a lot of storage space on your Google account. So there's no need of you putting it right here for the next 30 days if you know that those mail are not useful. So what you need to do is to come to the top right here and then click on select all. So when you click on select all, it's going to be delete forever. Click on that. Then if you have as many as possible, click on here, select all, delete forever. Then you can go on and delete as many as possible mail forever. Go ahead and click on select all, click on delete forever right here. It's that simple. So go ahead and click on select all, then delete forever. Select all, delete forever. Or better still, we can come to the sidebar right here, click on empty bin now. Confirming deleting messages. This action will affect all 775 conversion in bin. You want to continue it on OK. Deleting message. Deleting all message from bin, boom, and you are done. You have free more storage space as much as possible. You can scroll down right here and check on your subscription right here, where you have some of the brand email that you subscribe to their newsletter, as the case may be. If you don't want to receive any messages or inbox from those websites or app, just come to the manage subscription right here. Go ahead and hit on unsubscribe. Click on unsubscribe. It simply means that you will never get a message from that particular website and app. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Gmail account or your Google account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.